Magandang gabi po.
Anong pangalan mo?
Osang,
Ilang taon ka na, Osang?
31 po.
Ano ang trabaho mo?
Stand-up comedian po.
At tagal ka na bang sumasali sa singing contest?
Hindi man na po talaga ako sumasali sa singing contest. Mga beauty contest po. This is my first time to join the singing contest.
Anong kakantahin mo?
Isang sweet na awitin po.
Okay.
Let the body sit the floor. Let the body sit the floor. Let the body sit the floor. Let the body sit the Are you ready? Hey! Beaten wild Lord, can't take much more. Here we go, here we go, here we go. Nothing wrong with me, nothing wrong with me, nothing wrong with me, nothing wrong with me. Something's gotta give, something's gotta give, something's gotta give. No! Let the body sit the floor, let the body sit the floor, let the body sit the floor, let the body sit the
Therese, Gary, Tita Benita,
Yes!
I think we should pray over him.
Oh
That
my
was
God.
unbelievable.
So, Tito Martin, the thing is, ang daming nag-try na kumanta ng rock, na yung talaga heavy metal na
Classic rock.
ganyan klase.
That's how you do
That's
it.
how you do it.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Napaka-sweet yung
Ang
kanta.
sweet nung kanta, ah. Natouch ako.
Eh, boses mo, dress. Pero kanta mo, jeans.
More!
Boy!
How is the bombastic? What is the bombastic? Romantic, bombastic, Check it! How is the loba loba? How is the loba loba? Let it go. How is the loba loba? How is the loba loba? Say! She told me Mr. Bombastic, I'm the fantastic. But she mean about the system is romantic, and the fantastic. But she mean about the system is smooth. Just like a silk gas of under the humble like I'm a lyrical lover. Let's go with the pill, with my sexual BC. You know a pill, bombastic, and the fantastic. But she mean about the system is romantic, and the fantastic. But she mean about the system is the boom, 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 bombastic.
Oh! I have to say this. Listen to me. We have 4 categories. Female, male, groups, over 25. You hit all 4 of them.
Alam mo, this is the strangest thing I'm going to say. You come out here and you talk and you act like any other gay person would. But when you perform, you're 100% man.
Oh my God, I have to agree.
Sa lahat ng mga nag-audition, yung boses mo and your talent is the most versatile.
The most.
Yung kung ano, ang hirap nun yung bilang, with the bombastic.
Thank you very much. Thank you.
Where have you been all our lives, huh? You are a total performer, a total entertainer, and a great singer.
You are not just a stand-up comedian. You have some serious talent
You're
na
very
nakatago sa loob. Wow, ano ba? Both?
Oh my gosh.
1, 2, 3, yeah! Thank you!
Girl, I'm really in shock. Nasa bootcamp ka na ngayon.
Wow.
We will be seeing more. Congratulations.
Si Osang, kahit pagod ka na, malulula ka talaga sa talent ng tao yan. And that's just 2 songs. Can you imagine all the other songs that she does? Wow.
Sobrang saya, grabe. Iba yung pakiramdam, grabe. Abot hanggang langit.
next week.